Hi, so I want to discuss this problem. Print the elements of an array in the decreasing frequency. So this means we have to print array in the decreasing order of the frequency and not the decreasing order of the elements. This means we have to find out how many times a particular number is repeated, and then based on that frequency we have to sort this array and then print the array. So, and if any two elements have the same frequency, so we need to keep the original order, like the one which came first, we need to keep that in original order. So let's discuss it through this example. We have this array 252856888, and here we have like 2 and 5 occurs twice, both have the same frequency. So when we will print 2 first, we will print 2 first because 2 is at the 0th index. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 is at the 0th index and 5 is at index 1. So 0 is less than 1. So 2 comes first and it should be displayed first and compared to the 5. So the order in which this should be displayed, we'll sort this through the, we'll count the frequency of each element and then sort the elements, and if there is any tie, as we discussed, we'll print the one which came first and then we print the array in sorted order. So the first step to solve this problem is we have to construct a hash map with the array elements as the key and the frequency of that elements as the value. So key value, let's take one by one. 2 occurs 1 and 5 occurs once, again 2, so let's make it 2, and then 8 1, and then 5 2, and then 6 once, and then 8 8. That means this occurred 3 times. So this is our key value pairs, like each element with their frequency. And once we have this hash map ready, we'll print them like 8 8. This is the output of our array, and then 2 because it's at 0th index, and then 5 6. So we are printing these elements according to their frequency in decreasing order. So now we code it. So the first line, we have function given a name sort by frequency with the parameter array, and so this line will go through each element of the array. Frequency map equals to new map. Count the frequency we will count the frequency of each element, and then frequency map dot set. So we'll iterate through each element of the array to count the frequencies, and if the number is not yet in the map, it will return undefined, like 0 as the default. But if the number is already in the map, we increment its value by 1, and otherwise we If it's not occurred yet, we will give it 1, and if it's already occurred, we will increase that element by 1. And uh, sort the elements based on frequency. Now we will sort the elements according to their frequency. So we have created a copy of the array because we don't want to modify the original array, and we want to sort the new array. The sort function takes a comparison function like a and b, and then compare the frequencies. This line of code will calculate the difference in the frequencies like b and a, and this will check if a and b have different frequencies. Positive frequency means like b will positive frequency means b will comes first before a, and the negative means the opposite. And if they do, the sorting will be based on the frequency difference. So yeah, and we have given here the else condition as well. If frequencies are the same, keep the elements in the original order. So this is our condition. If the frequency of the two elements are same, we will keep their original order. Like frequency difference is null, like if it's 0, we need to retain the original order which is given in our array. And at the end, if the frequencies are same, retain the order of the appearance, and after sorting we return the sorted array. So yeah, that's it. And the time complexity for this will be, for counting the frequencies of the array, it will be order of n because we have n uh, length of the array. And to sort the array, it will take order of n log n time, where n is the length of the array. Thank you.